Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the endless rush of daily life? The Stoics, wise thinkers of ancient times, believed in pausing to reflect on life's journey. Today, we're diving into the power of daily reflection and how this simple practice can lead to a clearer, more purposeful life. Stick around to learn how you can use this ancient wisdom in your modern routine. Why should you make time for reflection in your busy day? Here's why. Daily reflection helps us understand our actions, celebrate small victories, and learn from our missteps. It's a moment to connect with your values and reset for tomorrow. The Stoics believed that clarity begins with self-awareness. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, wrote in his journal every day to evaluate his thoughts and actions. He called it his guide to becoming a better version of himself. Think about it. How often do we move through life on autopilot? Reflection is the antidote. It gives us the power to take control of our narrative, one day at a time. Oh, how did the Stoics turn reflection into a daily practice? They had a simple yet profound approach. At the end of each day, they asked themselves questions like, what did I do well today? Where did I fall short? How can I improve tomorrow? For example, Seneca, another great Stoic thinker, believed in reviewing his day before bed. He would mentally revisit his actions and thoughts, almost like rewinding a movie. This helped him sharpen his judgment and align his actions with his values. Imagine the clarity this brings, not only learning from the day, but also preparing yourself to live better tomorrow. This ancient practice still holds incredible relevance for modern life. You might be wondering, how can I make reflection a part of my daily routine? Don't worry, it's simpler than you think. Here's a practical guide to get you started. Set aside 5 to 10 minutes daily. Choose a time that works best for you, like right before bed or in the morning with your coffee. Find a quiet space. This could be your bedroom, a cozy corner, or even a peaceful spot outdoors. Ask meaningful questions. Use the Stoic prompts. What did I do well today? Where did I fall short? How can I improve tomorrow? Write it down. Keep a journal. It's like having a conversation with yourself. Writing makes your thoughts tangible and actionable. Be kind to yourself. Reflection isn't about judgment. It's about growth. Embrace your journey, one day at a time. Start small, and let this practice grow naturally. Reflection is your compass for living with clarity and intention. So, there you have it, the timeless practice of daily reflection, inspired by Stoic wisdom. It's a simple yet transformative habit that can help you navigate stress with clarity, align your actions with your values, build a life of purpose and growth. Remember, the key is consistency, not perfection. Start small. Even a few moments of honest reflection can make a big difference over time. Thank you for joining me on this journey into Stoic wisdom. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sage Chronicles. Let's continue exploring timeless lessons to live better and think deeper together. See you in the next video. Until then, take a deep breath, reflect, and keep moving forward.